up beautiful people, Eid Mubarak. So today I'm making chicken tikka masala. It's really delicious and good recipe. It's flavorful and tasteful and very easy to make. So right now I'm heading towards grocery store and I'm gonna get some grocery for chicken tikka masala. Anyway guys, stay tuned, watch the video. It's very easy, very simple, very great recipe. Wow! Alright guys, I'm back home and I got the chicken breast meat and I got some groceries or some ingredients what we need to put in the chicken tikka masala, which is the UK's national dish. First thing, I made the ginger and the garlic kind of paste. We're gonna put this on top. Now I'm taking 1 spoon of yogurt, just whole yogurt, 2 and 3. Okay, I'm adding a whole spoon of garam masala. Any garam masala, you can use that. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just mix everything up. Alright guys, so the mixture is ready. We're gonna leave this about 15 minutes and then we're gonna come back to it. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes and I took a pan. I had some oil in it and I did preheated the pan. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this whole mixture and we're gonna stir fry this just like that. So we're gonna stir fry this marination at the highest flame possible. It's gonna take about 15 minutes. We are almost there. This is stir fried all the way. I'm gonna dish this out into the next pan. What are you doing in the pan? Oh, so this is the whole chicken after stir fry. I'm going to use the same pan. You have to leave the crust. This crust you have to leave in the pan. We're going to add some oil, or you can use your ghee or any kind of olive oil. Now I'm adding some onions. Right there. I'm adding 1 spoon of cumin seed, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of red chili powder. So this is 1. This is 2. I took 1 spoon of chicken tikka masala. You can use any kind of brand. I'm adding 1 more spoon of garam masala in there. So I'm adding 1 whole can of tomato sauce right on top. Onions are my brown. So now guys, now I'm adding a whole spoon of cream. You can use liquid cream as well. I like this way actually. 2 spoons. And we're gonna mix this thing up. Alright guys, so the paste, the chicken tikka masala paste is ready. We're gonna take the chicken and we're gonna just dump it right into the sauce. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just cover this thing up and leave it for next 10 minutes on a very slow flame. So everything get mixed together. They're gonna make fun together. They're gonna mingle and tingle. Guys, so you can see the oil has been risen up. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just garnish some cilantro on top. And we're gonna turn the stove off and leave it for next 2 minutes. I did taste it a little bit. It is yummy. So here you go guys, your favorite chicken tikka masala is ready. We're gonna serve it with naan. It is actually best with the naan. It is yummy guys. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, like and subscribe, be a family. Bye.